Okay, let us talk about selection, self-selection, and also the backpacing. So if I'm going to convert this to editable poly and F4 to make it wireframe, if I'm going to select the vertex, and for example if I'm going to select this part only, let's say okay, so I am also selecting at the back. Now to not to select the back but to select only the front, we have to choose the ignore backpacing. So I'm going to select this one. I am only selecting this portion, not the back. So this is the function of the back facing. Now let us discuss about the soft selection. A soft selection is when you select, there is a pull off of the selection that you have made. So there is the control, the size, the distance of the pull off. Like for example, if I'm going to select this one, okay, so there is a fall off when you select the use soft selection. You can adjust this, you can high, you can lower it down. Okay, so let us try this to let us undo this, let us ignore backpacing. Okay, okay, I deselect the ignore backpacing on use soft selection. Okay, so as you can see, there is a much different of the selection without using the soft selection. Okay, so let us create another example for this. And let's put mini segments for this. Okay, now let us convert this to editable poly. Now I'm going to use the circular selection. And use the vertex sub-object level, ignore backpacing. Okay, so let us play this one, move down, and then select another one, move up, something like that. Click here to get out, click F3, F4, So as you can see, oops, this is the cause of the soft selection. But if you have to just undo this, make it sure that the soft selection will not touch in the bottom. Vertex mode. Okay, here is our soft selection. Let us grow this a little. There is no. Oops. Move down. Now it's going to pick up because the selection is high, so we can create a smaller one here, and it has reduced the pull off. Okay, so that is the pull off, that the bottom part is not anymore included. So when you create an object with the use of this ignore soft selection, you have to make it sure that those faces that are not included are not picked up by the fall off. Okay, get out. As you can see, there's no more pickup in the bottom. So this is the use of the selection and the back facing and fall off.